Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. District authorities crack down on overpriced books in Nongpo market. KHADC announces tax collection figures. Opposition raises concerns over delayed elections. Controversy surrounds arrests in Shillong bomb blast case. And beat contest, rock without drugs, promotes talent and sobriety in Maukarwan. Another news in detail. Following a complaint from the Khasi Students Union Nongpo Circle regarding inflated book prices at Maolong Market Nongpo, district authorities have initiated action against errant book stalls. On March 11th, the police conducted an investigation and confirmed that some vendors were selling books above the maximum retail price by an extra 5 to 10 rupees. The booksellers defended their actions, citing transportation costs from Shillong to Nongpo as justification for the price hike. However, district authorities have taken a firm stance against such practices, emphasizing adherence to fixed prices.
Còn chính kinh em kelas 10.
During the budget session on March 11th, Chief Executive Member CEM Panyat Singh CM revealed that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC collected a total of 73 crores 39 lakhs 20,000 and 578 in taxes from April 1st, 2023 to the present year 2024. In response to an inquiry by the opposition party led by Titos Khan, EM Elaka PNCM addressed concerns regarding the delayed elections in Wahada Dar Shela. CM assured that preparations are underway and the elections will be conducted within 45 days. This announcement comes amidst ongoing discussions and efforts to ensure electoral transparency and democratic processes within the region.
Saya kalkulasi Khubor imabal Samla ibala saya seperti question jingkuli nomor apa ini pak jingyo jenah nak kalian ke council nak kasih tarik kasih tarik April nak aduh mentah kilo kemudian harum nak professional tax khatwe kulur wala apinyo ada rules pa asal naka fees naka trade like san kulailas dai kulai ada rules pa asal naka fees naka land sau kulailas sau hajar sispa grupo naka forest khat Prapudrulak Prahaja Aspat Nukua Naka CWD Kidupsit Khandrulak Apulai Haja Southway Tika Naka Administration of Justice Kifis Naka Code Kilong Lai Pulaila South Haja Lai Spak Asam He miscellaneous receipt Prapusan haja Pralak San Haja Kandai Spotlight Pusat Nagi dolls Akusan la Prapaway Haja Nagi building permission Prapupra Lak Lupa Haja New Spot Kandai Naga shares Naga market Khandriwak San Haja Aspat Shpo Naga shares of the motor vehicle Kabagi Assam Baka State Government Nadu April Anhaja Ulai Hadu Unda Layo Khuborkhasi Kulur Like Pralak Like Kundai Haja Aspat Kundai Kunyo Naga printing stationery Upway Haja Kundai Spat Sabusan Naga shares jong mines and mineral Kabailay buat miner Nila yo lain kundai kulur Kundai ku lain san kupahaja soft spot like yo But naga grant aid Nafta land reforms Arku laila Baru kalong new kulai kulur lain kundai lang Aku haja soft spot
The leader of the Nyautrap National Youth Front, Sadon Bla, has voiced opposition to the recent arrest of Therson Limba from his residence in Nong Pedang, Dauki. Limba stands accused of involvement in a bomb blast that occurred in Temmetor Yau Maulong, Shillong on the 9th of March. Despite the arrest, Bla insists that the organization awaits clarification from ongoing investigations. Adding to the complexity of the situation, Banai Sinkram relayed information from Limba's family, asserting his involvement in peace-building efforts between the Indian government, the Meghalaya government and the HNLC. On March 11th, authorities took Limba and another individual, Eba Kordor Nongplu, who was apprehended from West Jainti Hills to the High Court, seeking additional time to conduct a thorough investigation.
Menin long kumne ngang adon lang ban I kata Khubor Arab je kumto imut balik sekali tangba nama babun kita juga sekali ke poi pada kapun natunan Kristian Dauki ke nilai Dauki dan nilai Dauki poi hantar Kristian Dauki dan mengang asal ngapok ini dan lain mon bat usawan dan mengipat misal Kristian pengisang pokoli yang pada urung dan long ketaking ki keli jengkeli ya kan jengjia dan marba mauru udan ni sna keto ka asing laisni keto cua benjia keto dan nang tangi wan thai sna dan nang dong yin dan mauru udan sna dan boy bang pun na Kristian Dauki to fun yang ang yang ya lai lang marba ngadai mama jengu dan ngar ngalai lang de hadin kata ngila po yang to lak mno to san beje po san beje de ngi ap hadu bakin dawan nang nena Shillong kupto si nyau steng dan dak lawan ngirung apa position dan ngirung isong sabe ing tabu position tetip ia song hi pramaki sto dengan dah din nang tapat diwan ki ong ihapan rakyat hi namar ba ihap hiban keli jengkeli marba tolong simbala don kata ke huri hurat bila don kata ke don kata ke jing terinya sutbat kene ke sing ecing nasi bat peserta tolong ngihap bandra ban jing keli dengaru nagaleng jengang ngamti pei namar ngasulik ya senrantang bangade mama yo dengan don bentah kena bentah dengan sulit senrang jadi kan tahu Ketua Khubor bagi rakyat utai kadon ni ke lagu mengenai posting na kedua runa formen. Demo uru umdan jaket, jesu ais kan mesti ke jaket. De pisaru umdan pisah nomor umpai berkat bagi cikuta. Jesu ayu sekan mesti ya ke pisah cijat muka unra. De tang ketahi.
Untuk ibatai ni
Ay tang nagata ka jingja ang nagata motor pag ibom ato ka min sisajay. Kaya tang nagata ke batay kaya kihapan invested ane bar kelicing keli ya namar ma uru dan mentah kata ka jing kering suk. Jadi suang tang nagata.
tahu kalau kan kerta ini ba lambak. Tip kan kerta ni.
Kiladan be isya ka san plus. San plus kiladan be tang namla ban entat adu kan kerta jadi tang basan san plus kiladan. San tu asam pulai lo ini menjungi.
Yang bak keren dan kerta kamu jing keren.
Lang kato ka jing kering suk bat eksklusif bat kita dan mendalang. Oi, David Cotton sana.
Atau kompi
Tatung ba ngayo tolong undan bentar.
The Singh Samla of Maukarwat, along with the Deputy Commissioner's Office and the Officers Club, have announced an exciting initiative to uplift music while steering youth away from alcohol and drugs. The beat contest, Rock Without Drugs, is set for March 23, 2024 at Nativity Higher Secondary School, Maukarwat, starting at 2 p.m. This competition aims to showcase local talent and features renowned artists from Shillong. President Khuborjylla and Secretary Downing Marwen of Singh Samla Maukarwat urge youth and bands from Southwest Khasi Hills to participate. Generous cash prizes of 40,000, 25,000 and 15,000 await the top 3 teams.
Kum sebentar ban kentiu ya ka sap kapong jong ki Samla jong distrik Southwest Khasi Hills ka jongi ki beton sap ha ka put ka dem ani ki beton ki kun hun tem ki bans na kalian jong Singh Samla Shillong Maukarwat harangkat ka jing ya trilang bat ka officers club bo ka jing alam jong i deputy commissioner isa ti lengwa Singh Samla Shillong Maukarwat kan penolong ya ka beat contest ka jing Yakob tem jong ki bans na ki kun hun tem ha ka ar fly taring jong mentau benai match hapo Nativity Stadium kapan sedang menduk kepor arbaji janmet te ke jing temu ke bakrau jong kaneka jing penlong jingi ya kaneka beat contest kumbangilah penpau mene nalor ke jing tiu ya kesap kapong jong ki Samla baton sam kaput katem kalong ru bahika ya ki Samla bakin kiar na kejiputan kam ya kijing pembuat kam tamai drugs kumba ka team jong neka beat contest ka jongi ka ong rocks without drugs di kumtang ikirpat ya ki kun huntem ki beton pok district ka jongi bakin wan ban yashim benta hakan neka beat contest bakan donru ka awareness syabaro ki patba hak ka singi kam tamai ki Samla bangin kiam bangin lek persya ya jing di penbuat badai drugs ka price nak benta kena benta ke singi ya kapan kalau job ningkong kan long 10 hajar ke bawan baar kan dai arpsan hajar badai bawan balai kan dai khatsan hajar bat kendon ru ki price ki individual price nak benta ke best vocalist best guitarist best bassist but best drummer bangin ai ya ki Samla ki bakham tibitam hakim ni ki bentar dan kalian Singh Samla Shillong Maukarwat jakot ka wer ya phi baro kum juru ikipat ma banwan ban ai jingkershan khamtame ya kini ki Samla don sap nai mensim ki bagi nang la ban kiu syapran ban kum juru ban ngindon ka wei kasur hati kesingi ban penpau bang bagi terang ban penduk pendam dan penelek persya ya uni ujung di penbuat buat uni drugs belastang banjele pok distrik kajongi kumba ka team ni di contest kalong rocks without drugs Khuborjylla.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the commencement of 3 significant projects aimed at bolstering infrastructure and improving living standards in the state. The projects include the new Shillong water supply scheme, a land reclamation project at the waste processing and disposal site at Marten Maulai, and the construction of internal roads within the new Shillong township at Maukanu Maupadang. These initiatives mark a crucial step towards realizing the government's broader vision for the state's development. With a budget allocation of Rs 1,600 crore, the new Shillong water supply scheme aims to address the growing water demand, benefiting over 29,889 people initially, with provisions for future population growth. Additionally, the Chief Minister highlighted plans for intensive road development and water management, emphasizing a sustainable approach to infrastructure growth. The government's strategic roadmap aims to propel Meghalaya towards significant economic growth and job creation, positioning it for a transformative future. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.